Hello everyone. Once again, here is me, Rodrigo Lasso Campo, your English teacher from Easy Training, and this is EasEnglish. This time I am presenting lesson 221 part 2, whose title is Animals, and we are going to be doing the activities in the lesson. There are 3 activities. One is about describing animals, the animals presented in this lesson, some characteristics, their habitat, what they eat, etc. Another activity is about making a contrast between long I sound and short I sound in a few words that we are going to deal with. And the other is about adjectives and nouns. Okay? You want to know what these activities are like? Please follow me. This activity, the first, is about kind of recapping lesson 221 part 1, in which we talked about animals. In this table, there are 2 headings. One for the name of each kind of animal, and the next for a detail, either concerning the characteristic of that animal, or the habitat, or the diet of the animal, or any other elements that you want to write about. I am going to write about 4 out of the 8 animals in the lesson, and I would like you to write about the 4 remaining animals in the lesson, or whatever other animals that occur to you. Let's go and do it. Here is the first kind of animal that has come to my mind: elephants. And I have emphasized on the fact that elephants need to eat at least 150 kilograms of food per day, so they are constantly eating. Did you remember this? Now, this can be set as an example for you to continue writing or speaking about the animals brought up in this lesson. Camels are the second kind of animals I have decided to talk about. And I have made emphasis on camels being able to go without water for a long time. Remember that we humans can go without water just for 3 days. What a big difference. Foxes is my third kind, and I have stressed on the fact that they have so impeccable hearing that they can hear a watch ticking, tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock from 36 meters away. It's amazing. And I have come up to my 4th and last kind of animals, polar bears. And I have emphasized on the fact that the fur of a polar bear is not actually white, but it is black. And it is explained in terms of polar bears being translucent. This meaning that light passes through the fur of the animal, but diffuses, so that the animal is not clearly visible, a little transparent. Got it? As I said before, I would like you to complete this activity by writing about 4 or more animals in this lesson, or animals that come to your mind. So you write the names of the kinds of animals on this side and describe some details about each. Got it? And after you write, you can share your ideas with somebody else, maybe with your teacher or your partners. Please go ahead. This is activity 2. It is about short versus long I sound. The letter I. Letter I. Here is letter I. In each of these words is letter I. But letter I sometimes sounds I. This is short I sound. But some other times letter I sounds I. This is long I sound. Then this exercise is about the contrast between short I sound and long I sound. And here are 6 words. 6 words naming 6 things illustrated in the pictures. Then we are going to say these words and pay close attention to the difference between U sound and I sound. Short I sound and long I sound. Let's do it. Lime. This is a lime. Lime. Line. This is a line. Line. Bike. This is a bike. Bike. Kitten. This is a kitten. Kitten. Ribbon. This is a ribbon. Ribbon. Kite. This is a kite. Kite. Now, after hearing and making the pronunciation of those words, I think you know which words have long I sound and which words have short I sound. Let's talk about it. Lime, line, bike, and kite have long I sound, but kitten and ribbon have short I sound. Do you agree? This is the third and last activity. It is about adjectives and nouns. 2 concepts that I think are already familiar to you because I have explained this several times before. Just in case you don't remember exactly what each is, I'm going to take up a minute or 2 to remind you of what an adjective is and what a noun is. Here I go. An adjective is a word that you use for describing things, animals, persons, and places. Easy. And a noun is a word that is used for naming persons, animals, things, or places. So simple. Then in each sentence, 6 in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we are going to identify each adjective in each sentence. And you and I are going to identify the words that name things, persons, places, or animals. That is, the nouns. Let's read the sentences the first. Number 1. The hippo made a loud noise. Number 2. The horse ate some yellow oats. Number 3. The animals roamed the rolling countryside. Number 4. Brown and red leaves fell from the trees. Number 5. Black stripes decorated the zebra's back. And number 6. The strong zookeeper trained the lions. Here we are. I have highlighted the adjectives. Each is describing a noun. Let's call them out. Loud, yellow, rolling, brown and red, black and strong. Following the adjectives are the nouns that are being described. Then I'm going to highlight the nouns. Here are the nouns. I have highlighted them in green. Noise, oats, countryside, leaves, stripes, and zookeeper. Each noun is being described by an adjective. The noise is loud. Loud noise. The oats are yellow. Yellow oats. The countryside is rolling. Rolling countryside. The leaves are brown and red. Brown and red leaves. The stripes are black. Black stripes. And the zookeeper is strong. Strong zookeeper. Well, you heard it, I guess. After this, I can say this lesson has come to the end. It was nice to talk to you again. I will be back soon with a new lesson. Goodbye now.